Hi guys, we are here on the Costa Calida down near the port of Mathurin, and oh my goodness, have I got a villa to show you. This is absolutely stunning, fabulous outside space. So come on, I'm really excited to show you this one. So come along, we'll have a walk around. So guys, this is the property itself, a lovely Neptuna, 3-bed, 3-bathroom with a fabulous bar and pool area. And it's also got double gates there, off-road parking for at least 2 cars. I'm going to come up here and you have got a little bit of an underbuild here. The underbuild, guys, is just for storage. It's not obviously big enough for me to crawl under or to get down on my knees. So I'm going to take you out into the garden and we'll have a look at the outside space here. Glorious sunny day. We are in Murcia region on the Costa Calida, like I said, on an urbanisation called Campus Hall. Sheds just here. Oh, sorry, it's not 2 sheds. I tell a lie. You have got an outside toilet. Alright, so that's really handy, just off the pool area. And this is a shed. Alright, you got the boiler in there. I'm going to pan around for you. Look at that. Absolutely fabulous. So you have all these little lights that light up. They're solar lights, you know. So you got this lovely area here. Just here is your barbecue area. So you can sit there and have a barbie. You have got a little terrace just there with the chairs up there behind the washing line. This is a shower, so you can wash all the creams off before you jump into this fabulous pool. Now this pool is 10 by 5. Really lovely big pool. And you got your pool cover there. It's low maintenance garden as well, as you can see. And this is the property. You have got solar panels up top there, of the top box, and you've got them to the side there and also up here. All right, so let me take you around. You can just lie there tanning yourself all day, or you could take a nice little walk over here because we have an outside bar. Okay, really lovely area. So just here, this is great for outside dining, as you can see. And just there you have a bar. Okay, I'm going to take you inside there now. Have a look. Goodness, this would be a great party house or a great holiday home or even a permanent home. It's really fantastic. So you got an area in here. You got all your drinks and your glasses there. You got your fridges there for your beer or whatever you need. And these windows open up, and of course you can serve your drinks over the bar to your friends and family. So I'm going to take you out and I'm going to walk up the top of the stairs to show you the top box. I'm just going to walk up here. This is all nicely tiled and done. Lovely area to get the sun. Just in there is kitchen, but I'm going to take you upstairs first. So I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. So just looking over the pool area here, I've noticed, and this is quite rare, even though you've got your door to go inside there, you got a wrap-round terrace here, which springs it out to the front. It's quite rare. You also have some storage there for cushions for your loungers up here. And this is quite nice up here. Private sunbathing, and you got fabulous views are the mountains over there. Just focus in on that. Really lovely mountain views. Now of course this is the back. You could put an awning on there, got your water point, some lounges here, and this is very private for sunbathing, you know. Really nice. I'm going to go back around and we'll have a look in and go through a proper doorway. Sorry, I think I'm breathing heavy again. I've been up that stairs. So in here we go. Oh, it smells lovely in here. So this is a lovely bedroom. Take my sunglasses off, don't need them now. You have got an aircon and you've got central heating throughout this house, you know. So just over there you got your central heating. You got your aircon just above there. And you got his and her wardrobes upstairs as well. So you could have this as a master bedroom if you wanted. And of course, that leads out onto the terrace there. Really nice. And you got the modern ceiling light and fan just above. Okay. This room is lovely and cool. I'm going to take you inside here now. I've got the lights on. So you might get a better look. You got your sink and pedestal, got a bidet, your WC and your shower just there. You have got a frosted glass window. Nice little shower in there. All fully tiled, this bathroom from ceiling to floor. Okay, and just behind the door there you've got a heated towel rail which is from the central heating. You've also got your shaving socket there, and just above there, if you didn't have your central heating on, you've got a little heater just up there. All new rads in here, so absolutely fabulous. So I hope you stay with me because I'm going to bring you down and we'll have a look around the fabulous house, the main house below. It's really, really stunning. So let's go. So just here, I've come down from the top box and we're just on the terrace here, just outside the kitchen. And I just want to show you where the side gate was to the property. And of course, you have a shed there and plenty of storage. So I've just come into the kitchen. I know I've done things a little bit back to front, but I had to show you that outside space. Just here you've got plenty of top and base units, integrated hob and oven. The oven's electric and so is the hob. Just want to double check that. And just coming back here to give you a nice view of the kitchen. It's a really nice kitchen. You've got your dishwasher, your washing machine, your sink and drainer, and you've got your water filter tap there as well. Insect screens on all the windows, wreckers and blackout blinds throughout the house, as well as your aircon and central heating. I do love this black worktop. I haven't seen anything quite like that before. It's really nice. So just going through here now, as you can see they've made it an open plan because in most Neptunos you'd have a wall there. Just somebody's phone, sorry guys. You'd have a wall there just by the wardrobes, and you'd have an archway here coming into this dining area. So it's all been taken down and it's all open plan now. If you get my drift, I'm going to come across here and just show you, okay? So you get what I mean. All right, so you have your radiators there at the back. Just above there you got your ceiling light and fan, and you have insect screens on the wreckers and everything. You also have your log burner fire there, which is really nice. I'm going to take you through now. The layout is totally different in this property, really different. This room has an ensuite, okay? So this is a beautiful bathroom, as you can see. You've got your sink and vanity unit, your WC and your shower, and you've got your towel rail just there. I've never seen a bathroom quite like this, and I really do like it. And I'm one who actually likes the orange tiles that no one else likes in these houses. But this is quite modern, and I quite like this one. So you have your rain head shower here, so you don't need to worry about redoing bathrooms. It's already done for you. All right, really very nice and tastefully done. Okay, so this is the door into this bedroom. It's not normally like this. The layout is normally different in a Neptuno. You got his and hers wardrobes, as you can see, and it looks over the pool. I'll go the other way because there's people outside there. And just there you have your aircon, and you got your ceiling light and fan. Of course, you got your radiator over the other side of the room. This has 2 single beds in this room. You can put a double bed in here quite comfortably as well. I just like the way this is laid out. It's totally different. Normally you'd have an archway in there and you go into the bedroom. This will be blocked up, but it's totally different layout, this. So we're in here into a master bedroom. So this is the 3rd bedroom of the 3 bedrooms, if that makes sense. You have aircon, your central heating. I'm going to come down here and come around for you. So as you can see, you just got the 1 archway instead of 2. And this leads you into your bathroom ensuite. So just in here you have your ensuite. In this ensuite you have a frosted glass window on the door. You have a semi-frosted shower screen with the rain head shower. That shower is big enough for 2 people. You have got modern WC and vanity unit. You've got a nice little cupboard there with lights as well. You have an extractor fan just above, and just here you've got a heated towel rail. Now this is from the central heating, and you've got plenty of storage here as well. So I just thought I'd come around, give you an idea of the shower there. So it's really very nice. So all the shower rooms are fully tiled from ceiling to floor, and they're done, so you don't need to do anything, you know. This is a really beautiful house. Oh, isn't that funny? I went around to go out the door because I'm the habit of doing that. This is a totally different layout. So this is the living room. We're going back out through it again, and it just shows you how a house can throw you when the layout is slightly different. So we're going out onto the D section now. I've done this property back to front, but you know what? It's absolutely fabulous. You've got a lovely lemon tree over there, and just above there you have got awnings. I'm sorry about the door banging with the wind there. And just above there, so you can pull them down, you know, to create some shade for yourself. Beautiful blue skies all around. Campus Hole is a lovely place to live, I got to say, and you're only 20 minutes from the local beaches as well, guys. As well as that, the airport is only, what, half an hour from here, Covera Airport. Plenty to do. So